Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. Today, we are talking about a secret tool that provides a worldwide audience for our business. Just in a few clicks here is I'm showing you watch full video. This tool is very important for those working on Shopify or e-commerce. They easily contact customers on WhatsApp. For which country audience you targeted. Select country and type a number for their country code also there with a while chosen country as I targeting UE audience. And after that, select audiences like male or females. And select the amount for audience, how much do you want in your WhatsApp chats easily. Now creating contacts for you as I created UE contacts. You can create also USA or China, it works worldwide for supplying audience for your business. And it all works for free, without any investment. You target an audience in each part of the world just in a few clicks there in your WhatsApp chat. There we go. 500 audience are just created, and they're in our WhatsApp chat just in a few clicks. Now, you can easily chat with them with proof 100% this tool is valuable for your business and take your business highest peak. Let's message someone. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video.